What's up everybody, CJ7 here, welcome back to the channel. So today in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to increase the overall quality and resolution of the photo within seconds by just using your mobile. So this app can be very useful, especially if your camera is not performing good under low light conditions. So let's get started. Download the app called Remini. Open the app and select the photo that you want to edit. Hit the red tick mark in the bottom and let the app do its thing. Within seconds, your photo will be ready with noticeable result. You can just save the photo if you are happy with the results, or if you want better results, you can simply click on the button that says number 2 on the top. The process will be repeated and you will be amazed with better results. So that's it from this short tutorial, guys. I hope this short tutorial will be helpful to you guys, and if you want more tutorials like this, please let me know in the comments. Until then, see ya, take care and have a great weekend.